In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the polar array command. So anytime you hear the word polar in regards to AutoCAD, think about working with angles or working with a circle that's 360 degrees. So we have a polar coordinate. That's how we get our angles drawn. If let's say we needed a line that's 45 degrees, we would use a polar coordinate for that. So I'm going to start the array command. I'm on the home ribbon. I'm under the the home ribbon. It's under the modify panel, and it's this guy right here. So it's kind of tucked in with the rectangular array. If you pull this down, notice we've got rectangular, path, and polar array commands. You can also go to the modify pull down and you can find the array command, and here you can choose kind of a little fly out window which one you want to start. So we'll go ahead and just start the polar array command. Like always, it wants me to select the object. And like always, it wants me to press enter when I'm done selecting. It doesn't know how many objects I want to select. So when I'm done, I have to press enter to tell AutoCAD I'm done selecting. So I pressed enter. Now it wants the center point of the array. This is the center point around which everything is going to array around. We're going to tell it how many objects we need. But for now, I'm just going to click here as my center point. And look how, ooh, it's just beautiful. It looks like a little boxy flower. But right here, I can tell it how many items I need it to have. I can tell it what the space should be in between, or I can tell it what angle I need it to fill. But we'll just stick with items. So I could type in 10, and I'm just going to kind of click out of it, and you can see I've got 10 different boxes. They're all arraying, kind of coming in at different angles, filling up a full 360 degrees, but they share that same center point. And again, we see that option here for associative. I'm going to uncheck associative just so we can see what happens this time. I left it checked when I did the rectangular array command. I'll just uncheck it so you can see the difference. I'll close the array, and because it's unchecked, when I come back in here, these are separate individual rectangles instead of one piece. So this prevents me from having to do the explode command to get it back to one piece, because when it is associative and it's all one piece like that, I can't come in here and edit individual ones or use the trim command. So that's it. That is the polar array command.